Welcome to InPrism Insight, an investor education initiative from InPrism. My name is Sudhindra Rao. I'm the founder and CEO at InPrism. Today we thought of doing a video about mutual fund basics for beginners, and followed by a series of videos about mutual funds in the coming days. Okay. So what is mutual fund? So how does the mutual fund work? Should I invest in mutual fund? What are the documents required? Today in this video I'll cover two out of them. One, what is mutual fund? The second one, how does mutual fund work? First, we'll talk about what is mutual fund. So mutual fund, as the name suggests, mutual fund means mutually funded by a lot of investors to a specific investment objective. For example, if you are an investor, want to invest into large cap mutual fund, okay, like that you have 100 more people who would like to invest into large cap mutual funds only. You all put together, gave money to a fund manager who manages money in a large cap mutual fund. So simple it is. Mutual fund. Here you would call it as a unit holder, where you own the portion of the investment what you have done in the overall fund which manage. The mutual fund company is called asset management company, who manages your assets on behalf of you, depending upon the investment objective which you have. And the fund manager is a person who comes with a lot of rich experience, who knows what actually happening in the market, the complexities, the way forward, how to invest, where to invest. All these questions will be answered by him. So he will invest on behalf of you in the stock market or in the debt market, depending upon the fund you chosen. The whole mutual fund itself is not a single fund as such. It comes with a lot of categories which I will cover in the future videos. Just to give you broadly, the mutual fund is actually a cumulative of people's money managed by a professional, regulated by SEBI and AMFI. This is what about mutual fund. The next question is, how does it work? Okay, so mutual fund, as I explained in the beginning, okay, mutual fund comes with a setup which is all the investors accumulate money and give it to a asset management company. It's called as mutual fund company also in India. The asset management company is formed by trustees where they manage the money on behalf of the customer, regulated by Security Exchange Board of India, which is SEBI, and this money will be given to the fund manager to manage. The fund manager is a person who knows about the investment objective of the investors, and he will take decisions on investing into certain securities on behalf of you, and will pass on the profit and losses to the unit holders. Okay, remember, you being a unit holder, you entitled to get both profit and loss. So depending upon the investment objective, the mutual fund companies have created this fund. For each fund, or maybe a couple of funds, a fund manager will be there who closely monitors this fund investments and will pass on the return to you. Okay. Also, remember, once you invest the money into the fund, okay, you get an account statement which has what is the number of units you own in the category of fund which you have invested. Just to summarize, so mutual fund is a pool of money pooled by a lot of investors, keeping a single investment objective intact, and gives the money to asset management company. Asset management company hires a fund manager. Fund manager invests this money into stock market or debt market or a gold, depending upon the investment objective. And once that money is getting invested, you get a number of units on the specific fund. So to manage this money, the mutual fund companies charges a fees. It's called fund management charge. It is charged on daily basis to the NAV of the fund. So to summarize this, the mutual funds is meant for the people who don't understand in depth about stock market or a debt market. So we'll talk about in the future advantages of mutual fund. We'll talk about diversification. We'll talk about what are the categories of mutual funds available in the future coming videos. That's all for today. If you're watching your video for the first time, don't forget to subscribe to the channel so that you get a lot of future videos about personal finance and mutual funds. If you need any help in buying mutual funds or to open an annual mutual fund account, you are seeing the number available on the screen. Just call the number. Our experts will be happy to help you. Thank you so much. That's all for today. See you.